Alright, so this is for you guys that requested the arches. So you can see in this part, the arches are in this particular part of the project, whereas they're not here. And so there's a couple of things you need to do. And what you can do is I'm going to put this 0504 arches up on the modules, and you can open it next to yours and just copy most of what I did in there. So I made some new columns, right? So just the columns that go sort of in this space, because this is the space you requested. But I'm just going to come into the existing one, right, and delete the columns that are in here. And then I'm going to come in here and I'm going to pick one of these columns, which is it's a different type of column, and I'm going to right click on it, select all instances, visible in view. And then I'm going to go to my copy to clipboard. Then I'm going to come into my project that is not updated, and then I'm going to go to modify, and I'm going to go to paste, align to selected levels, and I'll do it to plan A1 and click OK, and those guys should come in right correctly. I think my door is out of line over here. If I align, yeah, I think that door is out of line, so I need to fix that. So ignore that for right now. But then you can also come in, and if you pick the arches, you can do the same thing. You could actually do them all at once if you wanted to, but I'm going to copy those to clipboard, come in here, and then paste, align to selected levels, plan A1, right? And those guys will come in. And then the last thing we need to do is kind of move and adjust this sweep, because you can see it's been pushed down on top of these arches. And so it's going to adjust it kind of for the whole wall. If you just want it to adjust it for this wall in the middle, you can actually split this wall. So let's go ahead and go to our plan A1. And so if I come in and I want to just change the wall, say from here to there, I can come into my modify and use this split element. And if I hover over the wall, it will split that wall, right, into two pieces. Let's see if I can get it to, right, you can see it wanting to split that wall. So I'm going to split that wall there, and then I'll split it, and you can see it giving that sort of little vertical when you get over the center. And I'll split the wall here, and you'll see now that when I pick it, it only picks to there. So I've kind of sectioned that out. You could probably let it go all the way to the end out here, but it's kind of up to you. So I'll go back to my 3D view here, and I'm going to pick this wall, and again we're going to take this sweep, move it down, and make it larger. Like this sweep is lower, so this sweep is lower and sitting right on top, as opposed to this one, which is up higher and kind of stuck back in. So first thing you need to do is you need to come in and you need to make a thicker sweep to adjust this guy to. So what we're going to do is go to your file and scroll down to your profiles. And if you get down to your profiles, you'll have wall sweeps, and you'll have 3 bricks. And I want you to double click on 3 bricks and make sure it's the sweep and not the reveal, and duplicate it, make a 3 bricks 2, and make the depth 1 foot 1, right? Click OK. And now you'll have this 3 bricks 2 under the sweeps, not under the reveals, but under the sweeps. And then what you're going to do is come in and you're going to pick this wall, the overall wall. You're going to go to edit type, and you're going to duplicate that. It's going to put a 2 on the end. You're going to say OK. You're going to come over here and flip your preview out and set it to section. Go to edit, click the sweeps, and the sweep is what's controlling where and how big this guy is. So if you come to the pull down, go ahead and pick the 3 bricks 2 and set the sweep distance, instead of -2, set it to -4, and hit apply, and you'll see that guy get bigger. I mean, you could also adjust the parapet up here if you wanted to, but I don't think anybody's going to notice. So just click OK, and click OK, and click OK, and that guy should update, and now you have this parapet on top of that, and you have, if you go to realistic, right, you've got sort of that motif happening. Okay? So I'll put this file, the 04, this guy, the 04 DVI site plug up on the modules. It'll have arches on the end. You can see it up there, and you can follow this video. All right.